Today I will take Adele's legendary song Set Fire to the Rain into a crazy EDM banger. The vocals are actually perfect for emotional progressive house. If you watch the video till the end you'll also get this FLP for free. As you can see I already added the vocals to the playlist and stretched them to 128 beats per minute. Let me pick a nice serum pad to write some chords. As you know I always do the bass notes first. Now I add more harmonies. Let's add a couple more here at the top. Beautiful. Let's add some layers. Yeah, this one's adds some nice body. One more to add more rhythm. That sounds great. Let me do some quick processing. First we need an EQ. Let me go ahead and add some ambient sounds to fill up the background.
I let it fall, my heart, and does it feel you rose to claim it?
This is already sounding so good. Let me an Nexus piano in the background as well. I want this remix to be really emotional. Okay, then I wanna add a sub bass to start building some energy. I'm just using the default 3x oscillator from FL and I'm applying some EQing to it. Now to the next part I wanna add a kick to add more rhythm and energy. Let me also add some impacts and effect sounds to make the transitions nice and smooth. More fills to keep the track interesting. Perfect. I feel like we still need another element for the chords. Let me try some strings. Oh yes, I'm already getting goosebumps. Now I'm gonna grab all of this and put it here where we're gonna have the build up. First I'll speed up the kick to really build that tension right before the drop. Now you wanna layer it with some snares. We also need some uplifters. Yes, alright, so the only thing missing in the build-up is the lids, which I will fade in using a low-pass filter. But first we obviously have to come up with a nice melody for the drop. Let me grab a nice serum lead. This is gonna sound so good. Okay, let's find some more layers. Let's add some effects. EQ. Reverb. Sidechain. Cool, so now we can add the lids to the build up with a nice filter and volume automation. Great, let's add the drop chords. Don't forget to EQ them to make them sit nice in the mix. Let me add gross beat to add more rhythm to them. And sidechain. Okay, let's do the bass line. This sounds like a nice mid bass. And that's a fat sub bass. Let me add 2 more mid basses. Hold up, let me chop them up in the piano roll. I think they need more rhythm. Yes, that's so cool. Don't forget your effects. Awesome. Okay, let's add some drums now. I will grab the kick from the break but without the filter, of course. We need some claps and rides. Then some crashes and downlifters for more energy. I will also add the drum fills as well as the ambient sounds from the break. To finish up the remix, let me add one final ambient sound to the drop. Perfect. And now listen carefully because I have 3 important things to tell you. First, I will drop a brand new MIDI pack coming at the 21st of December. It has 100 unique melodies that are just perfect for emotional progressive house. To get an exclusive discount code on release, click the first link in the description and sign up right here to get into the exclusive circle. Second, for this track I used all my presets from the golden EDM era bundle coming with 1000 serum presets, perfect for Martin Garrix style tracks. And third, I used all the drum and ambient samples from the EDM Essentials bundle which has over 7000 sounds for EDM. Apply the discount code Adele at the cart and you get 30% off. All links down in the description. And now let's listen to the final result.
I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over, until you kissed my lips, and you saved me. My hands, they were strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms, without falling to your feet. There's a side to you that I never knew all the things you'd say they were never true in the games you played, you would always win, always win. But I'll set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face, when it burn while I cry, cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name.
Guys, thank you for watching. I love you.